Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to take a first look at the TOUCAN Connect Video Conference System 360.
And Toucan sent us this for the review. Now, that's a pretty long name on this.
Well, it's got 360 in it, so it's got to have a long name.
Yeah, look at this 360 because there's four cameras in this thing. So it's got four cameras. It's got a microphone and a speaker here. And you can use it for a video conferencing system. So if everyone's sitting around the table, it's going to pull them all in.
Yeah,
Pretty
this is
cool.
a really great solution if you have multiple people joining a video conference and you want the camera to follow them around and listen to them speak. The really cool thing is that you don't need to install any special software. You just plug it into your computer, your PC, or your Mac, launch your favorite video conferencing client, and away it goes.
It's pretty cool. And so what else does it come with? It comes with a little doohickey. I call it a doohickey, which if you don't want to use the cameras, you can plug the hole in the top with a doohickey.
And then you can just use the speaker.
Then you can
without
use
the
a
cameras.
speakerphone, right?
It also has a little cover for the cameras so you can keep
This
them
is
nice and
nice.
clean.
Look at this. Check it out. That's kind of nice.
And then it's got the cables that you need to hook it up. You got to plug it into power, and then you got to plug this into your PC.
Yes, and it's a USB A to USB C, which is in the bottom of the camera here. And just keep in mind, so if you've got a Mac like we do, you will need to get yourself a cable that is USB-C on one end because most of the new Macs all have USB-C to USB-C. But what I use is the cable that comes with my Mac, which is USB-C to USB-C, and it works great. So
Cool. So that's it. That is the TOUCAN Connect Video Conference System 360. And we'll come back and show you how it works in our full review. Thank you.
thank you.